HAUpgrade Home Assistant beta version, actually. Check it out. All right, time to do just a little bit of maintenance today. So we're gonna go to my to-do list. I noticed I have 5, although 2 of them are duplicates, but I have 5 calls to upgrade my Home Assistant. So let's go ahead and upgrade it. I normally just run my log. I'm gonna hit cancel. I am going to go to my Docker folder, and then I'm gonna run my HAUpgrade script. So if you don't know what my HAUpgrade script is, just cat it real fast. It's basically just a quick little script file that just does a Docker Compose pull, which pulls down the new Docker Compose images for any software I have. Then it runs Docker Compose down, which brings down my containers. Docker Compose up -D, which brings up the containers, puts them in the background. And then a Docker system prune, which deletes anything that I don't need. So any old Docker containers, any old Docker image files. And then finally it does a Docker attach to the new Home Assistant container so I can see the log and watch it come up. And we're just gonna run it. Okay, excellent. So the upgrade was done. I'll have to fix that, and we'll see we are now running 0.82 beta version 3. So that's because in my compose file we are running the beta version. So perfect. Switch over to HASuser, do a quick git update, which what this will do is just check the validity of my config file against the new version. I'm going to scoot this over, and I'm going to say closes number 443, 442, 441, and 440. So that'll go into the GitHub, into my repo, off to the next activity.